Hello and welcome to Teachings in Education. I am your narrator, Frank Avella. We're going to look at some main themes of teaching philosophies that educators have used over the years. First, the classroom is a family. As a teacher, we must create a classroom environment where all students feel loved and wanted, which is something that unfortunately many children today are lacking. Next, a teacher is someone who helps shape the world. Teachers prepare our students for life, academically, socially, and emotionally. Another philosophy is that as a teacher, I would want to believe in my students. I will set the highest expectations and challenge my students. Children can accomplish remarkable achievements, but they first must believe in themselves. As a teacher, the focus is all about student growth. Students come into the classroom each year at different levels. Another philosophy is that each student is special in their own way. They have unique needs and challenges. Teaching is about supporting students where they need it the most. The best teachers can engage their students, make learning fun. When learning becomes fun, it stimulates biological effects, and students are able to truly connect with the content. We know that the stronger the teacher-student relationship, the harder the student works in the classroom. Relationships strengthen achievement. Teachers must master the content to be effective teachers. I have loved science. So a teacher may say that they have loved science since they were a child, and through their love of science, others will also experience that passion. Education is meant to develop critical thinking skills. Critical thinking will help students express their thoughts and beliefs. Teachers that foster that critical thinking can help students become more creative. Now, if you're looking for hard copies of these different teaching philosophies, check the description below, and there's some other resources there as well.